Here's how you can use the Canva integration on the TrouDigital platform. So how you do it is you head over to the Media Centre, either from within a creative or from the main Creatives tab. Once you're in the Media Centre, navigate to the left hand side, and under the Design Yourself tab you can see Canva, so you just click Canva and that loads up our Canva Centre. So here you'll find any Canva designs that you've made with us already, plus the amount of storage that Canva's taking up on your account. To make a new design, simply click the red Upload Media button. And if you're not logged into Canva already, you'll just be prompted to do so. But once you're logged in, you'll be able to select a design dimension. So there's plenty to choose from here, but the one that will fit most landscape screens is the wallpaper 1920 by 1080 pixel one. So once you've selected that, click Start Design, and our Canva integration will begin to load. And as you can see, it's pretty much exactly the same Canva that you'll see on the web or on the desktop app. So hopefully if you've used Canva before, everything will look pretty familiar. From here you have access to all the same elements, text, settings, your Canva content that you've uploaded to Canva. That should all be accessible now from our integration. So you can either create a design from scratch by going to elements and selecting all different shapes, different graphics and things like that to start building out your design. Again, everything's fully customizable here, so like the square, for example, you can change the colors, you can add gradients as well now, or you can even add text, and again that's fully customizable, exactly the same to what you'd have in Canva. One great feature that Canva has is that it gives you access to thousands of templates pretty much to fit nearly now any scenario that you can imagine. So if you want to create a design with templates, simply click design at the top left and you can search for your template. So for example, if we search business, you gain access to a very long list of different templates relating to business. So if we select one here, you obviously sort of like how you would in Canva, it gives you all the different examples or iterations of that template. So if we select this one here, it adds it directly to our Canva studio, and then from here we can start editing things like we would normally on the normal Canva app. So if we want to change some colors, if we want to change the text to meet our brand fonts, you can do so. So with our Canva integration, you also have access to any designs that you've made in Canva already. So down the bottom here, if I just move myself, on the left hand side you'll be able to see projects, the projects folder. So if you click on that, you should be able to access any sort of current designs you have. So if you're making something for a marketing campaign or an internal comms campaign, and you place it into a Canva folder, you can access this here, and if you click into it, you can see you can use that in your design and start building it out. So once you're happy with your design and you want to show that design on your screens, simply press the publish button in the top right corner, and what it will do is it's going to create a creative for you. So as you can see now, that design is now landed in our Canva Centre, and then to get that into your creatives folder, simply select that design, click add to creatives, and in a second you'll see now that that is in our creatives tab. So to get that onto your screen, all you need to do is add that to a playlist and then assign that playlist to a screen, and you'll be good to go.